Welcome to another District 75 AI tutorial. Today we will learn how to use Canva. For this activity, we'll create an interactive application to help us code with Python. For our very first step, we will open up a web browser and locate the address bar at the top and type in www.canva.com. Press the enter button on your keyboard. If prompted to use your email, please use your NYC DOE credentials. Underneath what will you teach today, make sure that the Canva AI is highlighted. In the describe your idea and I'll bring it to life section, we will click and type in the following. Create an interactive application that will help us learn Python coding. On the right side, locate the submit button and press it. Pause here and try for yourself. Please check for outputs and check for errors and refine if needed. Let's click on the very first lesson for beginners. Learn the Python is and why it's so popular. The very first exercise in code that it will give us is print hello world. We will try the exercise by clicking on the button. It will bring down the code editor. The code will read hello world. We'll run the code to see if it's correct. Hello world. We can change it. Hello AI. Cohort. We'll run the code. Hello AI cohort. We'll press the lesson button, or we can press back to lessons. We will click on the next lesson, variables and data types. Name is a string, age is an integer, height is a float, and is student is a boolean. Look at the user variable section and try the exercise. Your name is a string and your age is an integer. The printout will read, my name is whatever the variable you give name, and I am age whatever variable you will give age, which is an integer, years old. We'll press the run code button. Compare to the example, my name is your name and I am 20 years old. We can change this to make sure that it works. My name is Jay. My age is 30. We will run the code. My name is Jay and I am 30 years old. Pause here and try for yourself. It is important to check every single output. Since this application has so many sections, it is good to click on each one and to make sure it works. Use AI responsibly and consider the environmental impact. Thanks for watching. For more information or to provide feedback, please visit www.d75stem.com/AI. Thanks for watching.